Hell yeah.
Welcome back. Welcome to day 5 and the final day of unboxing Christmas. Today we have a set from Superint that was sent to me. This is also a clipper and a trimmer set that I did not know it was a full set. I thought it was just a clipper. But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share all the good stuff that come along with being on YouTube. You can also dislike the video. And yes, I'm getting a haircut. I've been watching me record, and I do need a haircut. I know. So before somebody say it, unless y'all already said it in day 2 or 1 of this video, I know I need a haircut, and it's coming one day. I think I'm gonna let it grow out a little bit so I get somebody to do a hair piece on me. Just see how I look. I ain't had hair in a while. Anyway, as far as product, I like this name. Without knowing the feel of it or anything, the Black Devil, I like the name. Price of this, I do not know. If I do know, it's here. All right. If I have found out since, it is here. All right. But Superint sent this to me. Shout out to Superint. If y'all see me review anything from Superint, y'all know that I do think they are one of the best budget brands out there. This packaging right here, I like. There's not a lot on it. They kept it very simple. They got their logo. You can see the outline of the clipper and trimmer. I thought this was just a clipper. So, but shout out to Superint for sending this over. So if y'all looking for reviews on these, just be patient. I got a lot to review at one time. And like I said in my a second ago, yesterday, in my other video, that I'm gonna be doing the Glacker set first with the Vanish shavers. The shavers can be part of it. It's, you know what I mean? But took the plastic off. It got like a rustic feel. That's not right. It's not rustic. It's rough though. It's smooth and rough at the same time. Don't judge me. Y'all not here to feel it. I wish I was. But either way, unboxing, as you can see, clipper and trimmer. I like that name. I don't know if this is just the same clipper and trimmer that they had, but just with a black and gold finish to it. But they got the cape. I did not think it would have a cape in this, but they had it folded up very nicely. Come with a comb. This and the ones that I opened in the last video are almost the same thing. You get what I'm saying? Come with the trimmer guards and oil, USB cable. Ooh. Ooh, what do we have here? I see you, Super. Now, look at that. Look at that. I like that. And they I like that. These will definitely be used. I like the black and gold. This is something that when Wall was doing all their gold stuff, that, you know, the magic clip and stuff, they should have done this. This is nice. They got the gold clip on it as well. I like that. I like that. As far as the colors, I like that. That's cool. All right. So, and then they got the pamphlet in there, whatever. But that's cool. I like that. We're gonna start with the trimmer on this one. This is the Black Devil Superint Pro trimmer. Got that black, very wide T-blade on there with the gold cutting blade. As far as design, this is a very sleek, very smooth, minimalistic design. Like, I like that. All right. That is the trimmer. I do like that. Let me see. It's set pretty close as well. Got a decent cut to it. I'm a like using these, or at least I'm ready to try them out. I don't know how they perform, but as far as the design and how they feel, oh man. With the black fade blade, with the gold cutting blade. They got the knob on the lever. It's a floating lever, but it's tough to move it. I mean, it's new, but that is the design of it. I do like, now these are almost like the ones that I had in the last video as far as design. These don't have the ridges on the back, but I do like that feel. Nice weight to it. Let me see if they have any information. How long do these last? The Clipper got a 5-hour runtime with a 3-hour charge time. The trimmer has a 3-hour runtime with a 2-hour charge time. The Clipper has 5,500 RPM. The trimmer has 6,000 RPM. So, look, if these do not perform, as far as design, look, like the guards, they're already a winner in my book as far as just I like this black and gold, man. I like this black and gold. Blades just sit right, guards just sit right on. They put some heavy duty guards on there. Half guard, and it goes up to a 4 in, as far as guards. So I'm excited to use these just based off of look, but I will be using the Glacker first before y'all start looking for reviews. All right. But yeah, so that's just unboxing Christmas. Just some quick videos of what I've had sitting here that needed to be looked at. I haven't tried any of this out yet. They have just been here at the shop while I've been busy and working. All right. So we're going to put them all together. We're going to see what works. We're going to see what don't works. Anything that get a quick review is probably trash. All right. Or it's a shaver. Shavers can get quick reviews because it's a shaver. You need to see how it charge. You see how it work on different textures. But as far as a shaver, you can kind of tell sometimes how it's going to work. As far as clippers, I don't get a bunch of different textures of hair as much as I want to. So the clippers sometimes take a minute just so I can make sure I can test them. Wet hair, dry hair, thick hair, coarse hair, thin hair, all that good stuff, right? But anyway, we'll be back. Day 5 of Unboxing Christmas. And we'll be back with reviews of these very soon. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all the good stuff. Peace.